Not that bad, is it? Hey? Did you get anchored down? He's clever, isn't he, how to put his hands at side to steady himself. There's a video of you, aren't we? I can't say where you are. Oh, we got you.
Don't really want to do it, does it? Like the slides, you know, straining.
Yeah, it'll do him good, that. A bit of exercise, isn't it? You having a little workout? Is that your mummy? That mummy you're looking at?
So why have you put me in this, mother?
Tiki chops. Yeah, that'll do.